so this was the trade I was trying to take, right? And this is on the, if I extend 5 minute displacement, right? It never taps this in, and it basically just cancels the sell limit order, comes, grabs this liquidity over here, and then it moves down, right, into both 15-minute displacements, no matter which one you do, and the 5-minute one, right? And I'm like, oh, okay. So news is just has been insane these past 2 days, basically just switching market structure, right? So I'm like, okay, I'll just wait until 4 and I'll play my NAS system, right? Now this wasn't, I didn't drew this back then, so just imagine this wasn't there, and also forget that, right? So now I can't show you because I don't think it will show up, but yeah. So I basically, I don't want to say hedged, but I swing traded from here up to like around here, and that was like $120, right? And I was like, oh yeah, so 5 minute fair value gap, right? And then imbalance within here, right? Again, this fib wasn't here, so I'm like, oh, imbalance within here, 5 minute fair value gap, that makes sense, right? So I played that. Let me just go to meta, meta 4, right? History. Okay, so the trade from here to here was $103, right? And then yeah, that's just 9 o'clock low. I closed half of my position, yeah, half of my position here, $78, and the rest just played out, and the rest was $300, right? So $471 today, which was made. And then I saw this, I was like, I didn't take this, but you know, one could have taken this, right? And then it's simply a matter of from here to there, right? And then a 4 hour trade, right? Yeah, yeah. And I just didn't want to take that one, even though, you know, 5 RR. But whatever, right? But someone cashed something from like here all the way up to here, and at that's also pretty good, assuming stop loss was all the way down here, right? And then we can just quickly say like, yeah, just like something around there, right? And then boom, and then boom, yeah, 4.5 RR. And how long did this would that person's, because this is basically my other NAS strategy. Again, yeah, 4 hours. So yeah, that's my other NAS strategy. It's just most of the times I play the 5 minute fair value gap instead of that one. And you know, you can, I'm very quickly starting to get the hang of when this is more likely than the one I just drew out, because ideally you want to get an entry like, and the kind of the entry that moves you up to this hourly high within 10 to 11, right? And well, that entry was outside of 11, even though valid, but also took forever because the entry happened outside of 11. So yeah, but that's that. Very cool, very cool. And yeah, no, not gonna play 4 o'clock because 4 o'clock was a long time ago. But yeah, that was the money today. Sucks that it was in GU, but also kind of cool that it was NAS. Very cool, very cool.